Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Kraken account to your TradingView using the updated method. So step 1, log into your TradingView account. Visit tradingview.com and log in and open your main chart window. Step 2, access the trading panel. At the bottom of your chart, click the trading panel tab, and this is where you'll see a list of supported brokers. Step 3, select Kraken as the broker. Scroll and find Kraken in the broker list and click on it, and then press the connect button. Step 4, authorize the connection. You will be then redirected to Kraken's login page. Enter your credentials and authorize the TradingView to access your account data securely. Step 5, confirm and start trading. Once you are authorized, you will be redirected back to TradingView, and you will now see that your Kraken account is linked. From here, you can now execute trades, view balances, and manage orders directly. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.